Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in Amazon Prime Video. This is particularly useful if you want to watch content in a different language or if you're helping someone set up their account in their preferred language. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be on the Amazon homepage, and this is where we'll start navigating toward Prime Video's language settings. Look to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the word All with 3 horizontal lines next to it. Click on that button. This will open up Amazon's main navigation menu where you can access all of their different services and categories. From this menu, locate and click on Prime Video. This takes you into the Prime Video section of Amazon's platform. Now, you'll need to click on Prime Video one more time from the left sidebar to fully enter the Prime Video interface where you can access your account settings. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This section houses all the customization options for your Prime Video experience. In the Account and Settings area, look at the top toolbar where you'll see several options. Click on Language. This is where you'll be able to adjust how content is displayed and which audio or subtitle languages are available to you. Now, find the section labeled Streaming Language. Right beside it, you'll see a Change button. Click on that button to modify your language preferences. A new menu will appear with different options for how you want to set your language. Select Custom from the available options. This gives you full control over which languages you want to include in your streaming experience rather than relying on default settings. Finally, you'll see a list of available languages. Select your preferred language by clicking the box beside each one you want to add. You can choose multiple languages if needed. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language settings in Amazon Prime Video, and your content will now be available in the languages you've selected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.